Good day everyone! It's me again, Ma'am Avi, and welcome to my channel. Our week 3 topic is about the absolute value and integers. The objectives for this week are: first, we need to represent the value or the absolute value on a number line as the distance of a number from 0, and perform fundamental operation on integers such as addition and subtraction. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have an activity first. The title of this activity is Group Me to Know Me. So, meron tayong different numbers such as 1, 2, -4, square root of 5, 0.8, -3, 9, 1 and 2/3, 1/2, 6, -7, and 1.5. Gugrupo natin siya as integers and not integers or the non-integers. Sa integers, nandito ang 1, 2, -4, -3, 9, 6, and -7. Sa non-integers, nandito ang 0.8, square root of 5, 1.5, 1 and 2/3, and 1/2. Tignan nyo mabuti. Ano-ano yung mga number na nasa integers? Bakit kaya sila magkakasama? At bakit naman ang mga nasa non-integers ang magkakasama? Ano mo papansin nyo? Para malaman natin kung ano ang integers, alamin natin ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito o ang kahulugan nito. Integers. These are positive or negative whole numbers including 0. Example nito ay ang positive integers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. Sa negative integers, nandito ang -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and so on and so forth. Ang mga numerong ito ay pwede nating ilagay sa number line. Ano ba yung number line? Ang example nito ay ito. Number line, horizontal line na mayroong numero. Pero paano ba natin ilalagay itong mga positive and negative whole numbers? Una, kailangan nating hanapin ang gitna. Dito natin ilalagay ang 0. Bakit po kasama ang 0? Kasi ayon sa description ng integers, ito daw ay ang mga positive or negative whole numbers kasama ang 0. Next, ang mga numbers sa kaliwa ng 0 ay ang ating mga negative numbers. Nandito ang -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on and so forth. Sa kanan naman ng ating number line ay ang positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Kung mapapansin ninyo, merong arrow sa magkabilang dulo ng number line. Ibig sabihin nito, ito ay magpapatuloy ng walang katapusan. Ang mga number dito ay walang katapusan. Tandaan, sa number line, sa kaliwa nito ay ang mga negative numbers. Sa kanan ay ang positive numbers. Let's proceed to our learning task 1. For this task, we need to illustrate a sea with the following: a crab 5 feet below the sea level, a cliff 3 feet above the sea level, and a flying bird 4 feet above the sea level. And use a vertical line to help us out in the illustration. So, una, kailangan nating mag-drawing down ng sea. So, ito ang aking sea. Diba? Ang ganda. Next, we need to use the vertical line. So, ito yung ating vertical line, yung patayo. Kagaya ng ating number line kanina. Then, a crab 5 feet below the sea level. Ang ating sea level, yung makapal na black na line. So, pag sinabing 5 feet below, ano ba ito? Pataas or pababa? Correct! Pababa. So, bibilang tayo ng 5 pababa. So, hanapin natin ang 5. Pababa ng sea level. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, siya ng 5. Dito natin i-drawing ang ating crab. Next, a cliff 3 feet above the sea level. Kung ang below ay pababa, ang above naman ay pataas. So, bibilang naman tayo ng 3. 1, 2, and 3. Dito natin nalagay yung cliff o ang tinatawag nating bangin sa Tagalog. Last, a flying bird 4 feet above the sea level. So, 4. Flying bird. Ito ang ibong lumilipad. Next, after making the drawing, study it carefully and answer the following question. Una, what number might be a good representation to the sea level? So, dahil yung sea level ang ating batayan, dito natin ilalagay ang, ano nga yung kanina kapag gitna? Correct! Dito ilalagay ang 0. So, the answer sa number 1 ay 0. Next, number 2. How do represent the distance below and above the sea level? Ano kaya ang mailalagay nating number sa below the sea level and above the sea level? Kung pababa, ito ay negative numbers. Kagaya ng negative 1, 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. Then, sa taas, ang ating positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, sa number 2 sagot ay below are negative numbers and the above of the sea level ay positive numbers. Next, number 3. How far is the cliff from the sea level? Gaano ba kalayo ang cliff o ang bangin sa sea level? So, ang sagot dito ay ano yung katapat ng guhit ng ating bangin? The answer is 3 feet. Next, number 4. How far is the bird from the sea level? So, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa cliff, binilang lang natin kung gaano ba layo ang ibon sa sea level. So, we have 4 feet. For number 5, 6, and 7, this will be your activity or your assignment. Kaya nyo na to. Alam kong kayang-kaya nyo yan. Let's now proceed to our lesson proper. This time, I will teach you how to add and subtract integers using chip models. For the addition of integers using chip model, first, kailangan muna natin maging familiarize sa ating chip models. So, meron tayong dalawang chip o dalawang circle. The blue circle represent the positive integers, while the red circle or the red chips is the negative integers. Again, blue for positive, red for negative. For our first example, doon muna tayo sa familiar tayo. Positive plus positive. In this case, we have positive 3 plus positive 2. Since they are both positive, we're going to use blue chips. 3 chips is for the positive 3 and 2 chips is for the positive 2. Since they are all positive or all blue, we just need to count all the chips. So let's count this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, positive 3 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 5 or simply 5. For our next example, we're going to add 2 negative. We have negative 2 plus negative 4. Since they are both negative, we're going to use the red chips. 2 chips or 2 red chips is for negative 2. And 4 red chips is for negative 4. Since they are both red, bibilangan ulit lang natin siya kagaya ng example natin kanina. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Kokopyahin lang natin kung ano yung sign niya. Next example is a positive and a negative number. So, we have 1 or positive 1 plus negative 1. For positive 1, gagamit tayo ng isang blue chip. And sa negative 1, gagamit tayo ng isang red chips. Dahil sila ay magkaparehas, maka-cancel out sila. Ang tawag dito ay zero pair. So, positive 1 plus negative 1 is equal to 0. Again, kapag meron kayong isang positive at isang negative, magka-cancel out sila. Ang tawag dito ay zero pair. Let's have another example. In this case, we have positive 4 plus negative 2. Sa positive 4, ano ang chip na gagamitin natin at ilan? Correct, gagamit tayo ng 4 na blue chips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, negative 2. Anong chip ang gagamitin natin at ilan? In this case, gagamit tayo ng 2 red chips. May nakikita ba kayong zero pair? O yung magka-partner? Isang red at isang blue? Meron. Meron tayong 2 pair. Tanggalin natin yung isa. At tanggalin natin ang pangalawang pair. Ang natitira lang ay 2 blue chips. So, ibig sabihin, positive 4 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Let's now proceed to the subtraction of integers using chip model. Again, we have blue chip for positive and red chips for negative. Our first example is 3 minus 2. In the subtraction of integers, we need to retain the sign of the minuend and change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, 3 minus 2, magiging siyang 3 plus negative 2. So, makikita nyo, yung ating positive 3 ay positive 3 pa din. Yung minus, naging plus. Yung ating 2 or yung positive 2, naging negative 2. So, in 3, ito ay 3 blue chips. Plus, negative 2, ito ay 2 red chips. So, meron tayong zero pair. Tatanggalin natin ating mga zero pair. 1 and 2. Ang natira lang natin ay isang blue chip which is 1. So, 3 plus negative 2 is equal to 1. Number 2 example. We have negative 2 minus negative 4. Again, kailangan natin i-change ang sign ng subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, negative 2 plus positive 4. Ang negative 2 natin ay 2 red chip. And positive 4, ito ay 4 na blue chips. Again, meron ulit tayong zero pairs. So, tatanggalin ulit natin siya. So, ang natitira na lang ay 2 blue chips. So, negative 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. For our next example, we have positive 1 minus negative 1. So, ano ulit gagawin natin? Correct! Papalitan natin ang sign ng ating subtrahend at mag-proceed tayo sa addition. So, 1 plus 1. So, yung ating negative 1, naging positive 1 na lang. So, meron tayong 2 blue chips. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Our next example is positive 4 minus negative 2. Ano nga ulit ang gagawin natin? Ano lang bago nating equation? Sige nga. Tama! Magiging 4 plus 2. Ang 4 plus 2 ay parehas na positive, kaya anong kulay ng mga chips natin? Blue or red? Correct! Blue. So, meron tayong 4 na blue chips at 2 blue chips. Lahat-lahat, ito ay 6. That's correct. So, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. For our last example, we have 3 minus 6. So, again, kailangan lang natin kunin ang balikran o inverse ng ating subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, magiging 3 plus negative 6 siya. So, 3 plus negative 6, ito ay 3 blue chips anim na red chips. So in this case, meron tayong 0 pairs. So we need to take away those pairs. Ang natira ay 3 red chips. So 3 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 3. To sum it up, let's remember the integers rule. In addition of integers, kapag ang dalawang integers ay parehas ng sign, i-add lang natin ito at kokopyahin kung ano yung common sign. Kung mag-iba naman ang sign, we need to subtract the integers and copy the sign of the largest absolute value. When it comes to subtraction, kailangan natin i-change ang sign ng subtrahend and proceed to addition of integers. Yan, napatapos na tayo. Learning task 2 na. In learning task 2, letter A, we need to add the following. So, number 1, we have positive 9 plus positive 10. Magkapareha siya ng sign, kaya pag-a-add lang natin siya at kokopyahin natin yung common sign which is positive. So, 9 plus 10 is equal to positive 19. Number 2, we have negative 7 plus negative 5. Again, magkaparehas ulit siya ng sign. Kaya ipag-a-add lang ulit natin siya, tapos kokopyahin natin yung common sign. So, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. The common sign is negative, so our final answer is negative 12. Number 3, we have positive 5 and negative 6. In this case, magkaiba siya lang sign, kaya ipagmaminus natin siya. At kailangan nating tignan ano ba yung mas mataas na absolute value, yung negative or yung positive. So dito, mas mataas yung negative, kaya ang sign natin is negative. So 5 minus 6 or 6 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. For number 3 to 10, ito ay inyong magsisilbing assignment o gawain. Kaya niyo itong sagutan, di ba? Alright, kaya niyo yan. For our learning task 2, letter B, we need to subtract the following. Number 1, we have positive 7 minus positive 4. So, ano nga ba yung rule natin sa subtraction ng integers? Again, we need to change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to the addition of integers. So, ang ating 7 minus 4 ay magiging 7 plus negative 4. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, ipagmaminus lang natin siya, tapos kokopyahin natin yung merong highest value ng absolute value, which is the positive. So, 7 minus 4 is positive 3. Next number, we have negative 2 minus negative 6. So, i-change ulit natin yung sign ng subtrahend and proceed to the addition of integers. Ito ay magiging negative 2 plus positive 6. Again, magkaiba siya ng sign, kaya ipagmaminus lang natin siya. Negative 2 minus 6 is 4. Dahil mas mataas yung sign or yung value ng positive, our final answer is positive 4. Next number, we have positive 10 minus negative 3. Ito ay magiging positive 10 plus 3. Since magkapareha siya ng sign, ipag-a-add lang natin siya, then kokopyahin natin yung common sign. 10 plus 3 is equal to positive 13. Again, for number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ito ay inyong assignment or inyong gawain na. Kaya nyo ito, di ba? Alam kong kaya nyo yan. Kaya nyo yan. For today, again, I am Ma'am Abby, nag-iiwan sa inyo ng kasabihang, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Thank you and God bless. Paalam!